You probably won't believe this, but one simple cup made from a spice in your kitchen can help your body feel powerful again, even after 60. Yes, I'm talking about cloves. If you're a man who's noticed less energy, weaker circulation, or lost that spark of confidence in the bedroom, this message might just change how you feel about your body forever. Because when used the right way, this ancient spice doesn't just flavor your food. It wakes up your blood flow, your nerves, and your natural male drive. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, a board-certified urologist who spent over 20 years helping men restore performance and confidence naturally. And no, I'm not here to sell you pills, gadgets, or fake testosterone boosters. Instead, I'll show you a natural, science-based way to bring energy back into your body starting tonight. See, millions of men drink clove tea or chew cloves, but they do it wrong and lose almost all of its benefits without knowing why. Today, you'll learn exactly how to prepare it so that your body actually absorbs the active compounds, especially eugenol, the molecule that supports circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps your blood vessels work like they did decades ago. I'll also reveal how clove water connects to testosterone, prostate health, and digestion, and why the biggest mistake most men make is timing their drink at the wrong moment. So stay until the end because I'll show you one simple nightly ritual that could make you feel 10, maybe even 20 years younger. No drugs, no side effects, just the right habit done the right way. Let's begin with what's actually happening inside your body when you start to lose that strength after 60. When a man reaches his 50s or 60s, something starts to change deep inside his body. Your blood doesn't move like it used to. Your nerves react slower, and your hormone levels, especially testosterone, begin to slide. That's why you feel tired more often, why recovery takes longer, and why certain parts of your body don't respond the same way they did 20 years ago. Now, here's the truth most men never hear. Erections aren't just about testosterone. They depend on three systems working perfectly together: your blood vessels, your nerves, and your hormones. If even one of those weakens, the whole chain breaks. Let's start with blood flow. When you're young, your arteries are flexible. Blood rushes through like water through a clean pipe. But as you age, inflammation and oxidation start building up. They stiffen those arteries, slow circulation, and starve your tissues of oxygen. This is where cloves come in. Cloves are packed with a natural compound called eugenol. Modern research, including studies from NIH and Healthline, shows that eugenol acts as a natural vasodilator. That means it helps your blood vessels relax, improving the flow of oxygen and nutrients to every organ, including the most vital ones for male health. But that's not all. Cloves are loaded with manganese, a key mineral your body uses to produce testosterone. It doesn't create testosterone by itself, but it helps the enzymes that do. It's like giving your body the spark plugs to start the engine again. They also fight inflammation. Tiny inflammations in your blood vessels can block proper signaling between your brain and your reproductive nerves. Cloves' antioxidants neutralize those free radicals that damage the vessel lining, letting your system respond naturally again. Now, let's talk about the nerves. Your nerves are like electrical wires. They send the messages of arousal, control, and pleasure. When your circulation improves, those nerves get better oxygen, better nutrient supply, and you regain stronger, more reliable responses. That's why so many men who use clove water correctly notice not only more energy, but also a subtle return of confidence, vitality, and drive. So if you've ever wondered why your energy dropped, why you lost that morning power, or why recovery takes longer after intimacy, it's not just age, it's biology. But the good news, you can support those systems naturally. And next, I'll show you how clove water does exactly that, and why its benefits go far beyond just performance. Let's be clear, cloves are not a magic pill, but what they are is one of nature's most concentrated sources of healing power. Inside this tiny spice, scientists have found over 30 active compounds, each one helping a different system in your body work better. And when you drink clove water the right way, those compounds begin to work together, quietly restoring balance, strength, and circulation. First, the immune system. Cloves are rich in vitamin C and powerful antioxidants. They boost your white blood cells, your body's first defense against infection and inflammation. That means fewer colds, faster recovery, and less fatigue. Next, the digestive system. Clove extract has been shown to stimulate digestive enzymes, helping your body break down protein and fats so you absorb nutrients more efficiently. That's important for men over 60 because digestion often slows down with age. And poor absorption means lower energy, weaker muscles, and dull mood. Then there's your liver, the silent hero that filters toxins, balances hormones, and keeps your blood chemistry stable. Research from Healthline and PubMed notes that compounds in cloves may support liver function and reduce oxidative stress inside the organ. When your liver works better, your testosterone metabolism improves naturally. And speaking of hormones, yes, clove water supports testosterone production. Manganese and certain polyphenols in cloves help regulate enzymes involved in hormone synthesis. That's why many men report higher energy, better drive, and a renewed sense of vitality after several weeks of consistent use. Now, let's not forget the prostate. Eugenol and other antioxidants reduce inflammation in the prostate gland. A calmer, healthier prostate means less pressure during urination, less nighttime urgency, and improved overall comfort. But perhaps the most overlooked benefit is blood sugar control. As we age, our cells become resistant to insulin. That means sugar stays in the blood, damaging vessels and nerves over time. Studies on clove extract show it may help improve insulin sensitivity, keeping your energy stable throughout the day. All these systems, immunity, digestion, liver, hormones, blood sugar, work together to create one outcome: vitality. The kind of energy that makes you feel alive again. Not the jittery, artificial rush of caffeine, but deep cellular energy your body recognizes as its own. That's why I tell my patients, when you take care of your circulation, your digestion, your liver, and your hormones, everything else begins to fix itself, including the things you thought were gone for good. And that's the power of cloves. Natural, gentle, and incredibly effective when used right. But here's the problem. Most men completely ruin those benefits by making simple, preventable mistakes. In the next part, I'll show you the biggest mistakes men make when drinking clove water and how to avoid wasting its power. Now, this part is crucial because even though cloves are powerful, most people use them in ways that completely destroy their benefits. Let's start with mistake number 1, boiling them wrong. Many men throw a few cloves into hot water, let them sit for 2 minutes, and call it a day. That's not enough time for the eugenol, the key active compound, to actually dissolve into the water. You're basically drinking flavored water, not real clove extract. To get results, cloves need to simmer for at least 10 minutes, and you must keep the lid on. Why? Because eugenol and other antioxidants are volatile. They evaporate with the steam. If you leave the pot open, you're literally letting the benefits float away into the air. Mistake number 2, drinking it too close to bedtime. Cloves can slightly stimulate your metabolism and nervous system. For some men, that means trouble falling asleep. If you're sensitive, have it 1 to 2 hours before bed, not right before. Mistake number 3, thinking more is better. Some guys take huge amounts, chewing raw cloves or using concentrated clove oil. That can irritate your stomach, cause nausea, or even affect your liver if you overdo it. Remember, this is potent stuff. Just a small amount prepared correctly is enough. Mistake number 4, expecting overnight miracles. Clove water isn't Viagra. It's not meant to work in one night. It's a supportive habit, one that gradually restores balance in your circulation, your hormones, and your energy. Think of it as tuning your engine, not pressing the gas pedal. And finally, mistake number 5, ignoring interactions. If you have diabetes, take blood thinners or liver medication. You need to talk to your doctor first. Cloves can slightly lower blood sugar and thin your blood due to eugenol's natural properties. Used carefully, that's a benefit. But ignored, it can cause problems. So let's recap. Don't boil too short, don't leave it uncovered, don't drink it too late, don't overdo it, and don't skip professional advice if you're on medication. When you avoid these mistakes, clove water becomes a simple, safe, and effective part of your daily routine. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to prepare clove water step by step, the way I recommend to my patients, so you can unlock every drop of its natural power. Here's where most men finally get it right. If you follow these steps exactly, you'll extract the real medicinal strength hidden inside each clove. Start simple. Take about 1 cup, 200 ml of water. Use 5 whole cloves, nothing more. That's all you need. Step 1. Put the cloves in a small pot or heat-safe cup. Step 2. Pour the water over them. Step 3. Cover it with a lid, then bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. No rushing. You'll smell that warm, spicy aroma. That's eugenol vapor. Keep it covered so those vapors stay inside the water. After boiling, remove it from heat. Keep the lid on and let it rest for about 2 hours. This cooling period allows all the beneficial oils to dissolve fully into the liquid. When it's warm or room temperature, strain it into a glass. You'll notice a light amber color. That's perfect. Sip it slowly. Don't chug it like plain water. Let your body absorb it gradually. Now, the best time to drink it? About 1 to 2 hours before bed. That's when your body naturally enters repair mode. Hormones stabilize, blood vessels relax, and your liver begins detox work. Clove water supports that process beautifully. If you're sensitive to spice, start with half the amount, 2 or 3 cloves, and build up. And if you'd like a softer taste, add a thin slice of lemon peel or a small piece of cinnamon. That combination calms the digestive system and enhances absorption without extra sugar. Many of my male patients over 60 combine this ritual with light evening movement, a short walk, or gentle stretching that helps push oxygen through the bloodstream and works perfectly with cloves' circulation-boosting effects. Remember, this is not a quick fix. Think of it as a nightly tune-up for your body. Do it consistently for 3 to 4 weeks, and you'll notice smoother digestion, warmer hands and feet, and a sense of steady internal energy. Consistency is where the magic happens, because when you repeat small, healthy habits, your body rebuilds itself piece by piece. And next, we'll dive into the science behind why this works. What modern research has discovered about cloves' unique compounds and how they interact with your body at the cellular level. Now let's talk science, because everything I share with you is rooted in real, peer-reviewed research, not folklore or internet myths. Modern studies confirm that cloves, Syzygium aromaticum, contain one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants of any spice ever tested. A single teaspoon of ground cloves can have more antioxidant power than blueberries, green tea, and even some vitamin supplements combined. The star compound behind this power is eugenol. It's the natural oil that gives cloves their scent and their healing force. According to research published in the National Library of Medicine and reviewed by Healthline and Cleveland Clinic, eugenol acts as an anti-inflammatory, an antimicrobial, and a circulatory enhancer. Let's unpack that. First, anti-inflammatory. Eugenol helps calm down chronic low-grade inflammation, the same kind that silently damages blood vessels and interferes with nerve signaling in men as they age. By lowering that inflammation, clove water supports smoother blood flow and better oxygen delivery to every organ. Second, antimicrobial. This means it naturally fights bacteria and fungi, particularly those that cause oral infections, gum disease, and even mild digestive imbalances. That's why many toothpaste brands include clove extract. But when you drink it, the benefits go deeper. It helps balance your gut microbiome, which is directly linked to hormone metabolism and energy levels. Third, circulatory enhancement. In animal and small human studies, clove extract has been shown to relax blood vessels and slightly increase nitric oxide availability, the same molecule responsible for erections and vascular flexibility. It's not a drug effect, but a subtle, supportive action that helps your vessels respond better when you need them to. Cloves are also rich in manganese, an essential mineral involved in testosterone synthesis, connective tissue strength, and enzyme activation. According to the Mayo Clinic, manganese deficiency can weaken libido and delay recovery. So, including clove water may help close that gap naturally. There's more. Researchers at PubMed have found that clove polyphenols may help regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Those benefits all feed into male health because stable blood sugar and a clean liver means stronger hormonal balance and better energy. However, and this is important, no study says clove water is a cure-all. It's a supportive habit, not a miracle drink. Think of it like giving your body the right tools so it can repair itself. The science is clear. Cloves protect your cells, enhance your circulation, and assist hormone and liver function. All vital to keeping men over 60 strong and active. So the question becomes, how do we make this simple habit part of your life in a way that fits your routine and keeps you consistent? That's what we'll explore next. How to integrate clove water into your daily rhythm so it becomes your body's quiet, nightly ally for long-term vitality. You don't need to change your whole lifestyle overnight. You just need one small ritual repeated daily. Here's what I tell my patients. Think of clove water as your evening reset button. It's not about chasing youth, it's about supporting the systems that keep you feeling young. Start simple. Every evening after dinner, take 10 minutes to make your clove water the same way I showed you earlier. Let it cool while you clean up or take your walk. After about 2 hours, when it's warm or room temperature, find a quiet moment. Sit down. Take a deep breath. Sip it slowly in peace. As you drink, you're not just hydrating. You're sending antioxidants through your bloodstream, telling your liver, nerves, and blood vessels it's time to repair. Here's the best schedule. Morning. Move your body for 20 minutes, a simple walk, stretch, or light jog. This keeps your blood flow awake. Throughout the day, eat clean, fiber-rich foods. Focus on vegetables, lean proteins, olive oil, and whole grains. This supports the same anti-inflammatory effects that cloves trigger. Evening, have your clove water. Avoid eating heavy, greasy food right before. That way, your digestive system can absorb the nutrients better. Night. Sleep at least 7 hours, because during deep sleep, your body releases growth and sex hormones, the very hormones that cloves help your body use efficiently. Within 1 or 2 weeks, you might start to notice subtle changes. Deeper sleep, warmer hands and feet, a calmer mood, maybe even stronger morning energy. But around week 4, that's when many men tell me something shifts. They wake up feeling alive again, more confident, more themselves. It's not magic, it's biology. When your circulation improves, your digestion and liver clear toxins faster, and your hormones begin to balance out. Your entire system starts performing like it used to. And if you really want to amplify the effect, combine clove water with other natural boosters like beetroot juice in the morning or magnesium glycinate before bed. Each one supports a different part of your vascular and hormonal health. I've seen this routine help men who thought their energy was gone for good. But it's the consistency that matters, not intensity. It's about doing a little bit right every day. Now, before we wrap up, there's something I need to emphasize. A lesson that too many men learn too late. It's the real secret behind why habits like this work long term. And it's not about cloves at all. It's about what happens when you commit to caring for yourself again. Let's talk about that in our final part. You've made it to the end. And if you're still here, that means something inside you is ready to change. Let's be honest. At some point after 60, many men stop believing they can feel strong again. They stop investing in themselves. They accept fatigue, weak circulation, or low confidence as just aging. But it doesn't have to be that way. The truth is, your body never forgets how to heal. It just needs the right conditions, the right circulation, the right nutrients, and the right habits. Clove water is simply a symbol of that. It's not the spice itself that performs the miracle. It's the decision to start doing one small thing every day that supports your system instead of fighting it. When you take that cup each night, you're telling your body, I'm still in this, I still care. And your body listens. That's when repair begins. Quietly, naturally, consistently, your energy rises. Your confidence returns. And the man you thought you lost, he's still there. I've seen it happen hundreds of times. Men who walked into my clinic tired and withdrawn, returning weeks later with light in their eyes again. Not because of magic, but because they reconnected with their body. So here's my message to you. Start tonight. Boil 5 cloves, make your cup, and give your body that moment of care. You don't need to chase youth, you just need to rebuild strength day by day. And you can. Now, before you go, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you're facing right now? Is it low energy, circulation, confidence? Leave your answer in the comments below. Type 1 if you're struggling with performance or drive. Type 2 if it's fatigue or recovery. Type 3 if you want me to talk more about prostate or testosterone health. I read every comment personally, and in my next video, I'll reveal one exclusive nightly habit that strengthens circulation even more effectively than clove water alone. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. This is Dr. Jocelyn reminding every man over 60, your best days aren't behind you. They start when you decide to take them back. Good night and take care of yourself.